Hi folks, this is going to be a follow-up on my previous video. I apologize for the poor audio in that video. I think whenever I try to piggyback unrelated audio onto a trail cam video, the audio suffers some digital loss for some reason. So in this video, I'm going to rectify that, and I'm going to break down one of these sounds in detail and show you that there's something going on that's pretty incredible, even impossible given my knowledge of animal and human vocalizations. I will show through spectral-analysis that these sounds are actually a combination of two completely different sounds. I'm going to approach this from a skeptic's viewpoint, and that I'm skeptical that this sound is from a known animal. This is the proper mindset going forward, not just with these sounds, but with most of the stuff on my channel. And stating this at the onset does a good job of negating the ultra geniuses could be anything comments. Anyways, at first, I thought the sounds occurred at the same time by coincidence, but as I'll show you, this happened a total of 10 times in less than 18 minutes, completely obliterating the random coincidence explanation. These sounds were recorded between 10:16 a.m. and 10:34 a.m. on the morning of August the 4th of 2022 in a northern Wisconsin forest in a spot I've never sampled before. I was not present during the recording. I will break down the first signal in question in detail to show you the strangeness involved on the spectrogram. Then once your ears have been properly tuned in to the particular peculiarities that I point out, I will scan through the rest of the file to find similar signals, 10 in total, but just do a quick slight noise reduction on those for you. There are also some subtle knock responses heard in between these calls that I will include in the next video. First things first, during the entire capture, a loud bird can be heard throughout. It hurts the ears if you're trying to listen closely, so I'll use a low-pass filter to cut that out. I don't like to overuse the noise reduction for these faraway sounds, as they take away from the original signal, so I used only a slight filter. So there will be a little white noise, but your brain will tune it out very quickly if you give it a chance. Here I have the first signal in question with the bird song nearly filtered out. Like I stated previously, all of these signals are a combination of two different sounds. The higher frequency sound heard here is very strange, like a breathy purr. Whereas the lower frequency is a percussive utterance with a guttural at the end. It's clear when I point it out, but easy to overlook, and I think that may be the point. Now that I've established the lower frequency segment as a vocal, let's go back and compare the two, and I will show that these sounds cannot be made in the same way. It's all about the breath. Listen to the higher frequency purr. It's smooth, all in one short breath, whereas the lower utterance is a complex articulation, with the breath being interrupted many times. How can this be? At first I thought it was a coincidence of timing between a legit UFB utterance and a distant woodpecker, but it happens again and again. Not a coincidence. Here's the sound of an actual woodpecker next to the purring. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Click on the bell to get notifications when I post a new video.